Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I want to show you these tool organizer bins. This is a 63-piece set and there are 3 styles of bins. You get 36 of these small square bins, 18 of the medium rectangle bins, and then 9 large rectangle bins. On the inside, there are small dots to help keep items from sliding around, and on the bottom, there are little feet to help prevent sliding within the drawer. They can easily be connected to one another using the edge pieces here on the side by simply snapping them together like so. This ends up saving space, closing gaps, and helps with shifting within the drawers. So let's put them to use and see how they help organize this drawer. Here's the before, and here's how it looks after organizing. And again, here's the second drawer before organizing, and here's how I was able to lay the bins out. It's definitely helpful to organize with, and it's going to make it easier and quicker to find the things that are needed and have a handy spot for them to go back to when we are done with them. So I would definitely give these a try if you are in need of organization for your tools.